I just want to ask you, Madam Prime Minister, on the lifting of trading hours for Sundays. You have mentioned something about putting in place a law to have Sunday legally banned for any trading.
What's your question?
Can you elaborate more on that?
Oh, okay. Well, I think the point needs to be made that the Sunday ban was done under emergency conditions. So it's not really a law per se. It was a condition that was put in place to protect people under COVID situations. But if it is the wish of the country that we do move or adapt a law where we keep the Sabbath, then I think that that is something that needs to be a dedicated law. I think it's something that we need a discussion on in the country, because no one had a discussion about Sunday banning. It was all part of the protections for COVID.